Hi, my name is Caesar. I do biology, chemistry and French here at Solihull Sixth Form.
My name's Amrit Kaur Ruprai and I study biology, chemistry, maths and physics at A-level. I was really intrigued in how the biological processes play a role in our day-to-day lives, and I really loved that we learned about different things like immunity and diabetes. I plan on studying medicine, and I hope that my A-level biology helps me because a lot of the fundamental topics that I learned in medicine are based upon the fundamental learnings in A-level biology. So a lot of the basics that I'll apply in university will be things that I've learned in A-level. It usually starts off with a few starter questions, which are a recap of our previous lesson and any pre-reading work that we've gotten. And then we move on to covering the content of the topic, and then we finish off the lesson with exam-style questions.
So there's a wide mix between content and exam questions, but I find it really beneficial. We get that input from the teacher about what to do, what to avoid, how to answer a question, and it all adds up, and it's very beneficial because we get quality input from examiners. My favorite thing about biology has to be the human side, so immunity, genetics, and stuff like osmoregulation and stuff like that. So I find humans interesting, and being able to cover that side is very, very interesting to me.
My favourite thing has to be the practicals, because they give you a chance to really see these processes firsthand, and they provide like very hands-on experiences of biology. So we were exposed to hearts and fish dissections, so that was really, really fun.
So teachers are super supportive in that they answer any questions. In class, you could put your hand up, they come to you straight away. If you ever have any questions, you can immediately send an email, and they usually respond very quickly. With classes, you get quite intimate with them, and everyone knows each other, so everyone feels comfortable to ask questions. And most of the time, we don't put our hands up, we just ask what we have to, and it's a very respectful space. There's also intervention lessons, which we have every other week, which is half an hour before lesson.
So our teachers make us exam question booklets for every topic, and they also give us a spec sheet when we begin a new topic. And not only do we get that, but we get these workbooks that they make, and those help us understand the topic at a deeper level. They're not like the typical exam style questions, but they're kind of synoptic links that get you to familiarize yourself with all the content.
My biggest advice would be start early. Once you are in year 12, learn the content the moment you start, because it adds up really quickly, and by the end of year 13 you can find yourself in a position where you need to cover a lot of content, and biology wouldn't be a lesson you'd want to be behind in. And if you're going to do anything at all, I'd make sure it would be exam questions. That's the biggest things that helps me, and the biggest priority, because that is what will give you the grades.
I'd advise students to get the content out of the way and familiarize themselves with all of the concepts, and then prioritize exam style questions, because it's not the same as throwing all the content that you know onto a question, because the questions ask you to think further about the topic.